see my name in lights, that would be one of my greatest accomplishments. I've started to focus on music when I was about 10. My mother brought me to karaoke, and that's where music really started to be a big part in my life. I've always wanted to enter Rising Stars. My mother didn't want me to drive for some reason, I don't know, but I was determined not to let another year pass.
Now that he's in a competition, I'm actually quite happy for him. I am truly proud of him, and I am looking forward to him being 2019 Rising Star.
Every time I perform, I ensure that I do something that is not regular. I always engage the crowd in whatever I do. So I believe what's going to make me stand out is the fact that I am unique in my performances.
Other than his amazing voice and his talent, he brings something unique that I think Jamaica will appreciate and love.
Song choice is going to be my biggest challenge in this competition, because as much as I have a wide range, I believe that choosing a song will always be difficult for me.
My advice to Hakeem would be to take the criticisms, not negatively, but use them to propel himself forward.
What's up, Jamaica? My name is Hakeem. 2019 is my year to shine. Watch out for this. Dab on them like the usual.